family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm making some soft yummy carrot tortillas that you've seen in the beginning of the video. Let's get to the video. I'm going to start by adding 1 kilogram of all-purpose with flour to my basil. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon salt to taste and 1 tablespoon baking soda. I'm also going to add 3 medium size coarsely grated carrots, and then I'm going to mix everything well together as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing and I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm now going to add some warm water bit by bit as I knead my dough, making sure there are no lumps on my dough. So guys, you have to take your time to knead your dough well if you want your tortillas to be soft and lumpless. So you have to knead your dough well and make sure there are no lumps on it. I'll leave you to watch me knead my dough as shown in the video, and I'll be right back. After kneading my dough really well for a while, as you've seen, I'm now going to add some oil, and then I'm also going to knead my dough for a little while as shown in the video, so that my dough mixes with the oil really well as shown in the video. And then all I'm now going to do is to cover my dough with a slightly damp kitchen towel as shown in the video, and then I'm going to cover it with the lid and leave it overnight. So guys, if you've been watching my videos, I'm sorry, I always leave my doughs overnight because I love soft chapatis, tortillas and everything else. So guys, the next day I'm just going to remove my towel and my lid, and then all I'm going to do is knead my dough for at least 2 minutes as shown in the video. And then I'm now going to oil my tray that I'm going to use to lay my balls after making them. So guys, after oiling my tray, I'm just going to set it aside, and then I'm going to make my balls as shown in the video. So guys, I don't know if you understand the word making balls, what I mean by making balls, but I'll leave you to watch what I'm doing. I'm just going to make balls as shown in the video, and then I'm going to lay them on the tray. So guys, I need you to watch that for a while so you can understand clearly what I mean by that, and I'll be right back. So guys, as you can see, I already made 3 balls right there. So I'm just going to turn off my camera for a while and make the other balls, and as you can see, all our balls are ready. Some are on the basin, in the basin, I'm sorry. So guys, moving on, I'm now going to dust my working surface / my board that I have right there, my chapati board. And then all I'm going to do is to lay my dough, and then I'm going to roll it to form a nice circle cook. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, because these tortillas are homemade and I'm not a machine and you two are not a machine. So we're just going to make that circle right there like that. As you can see, it's not so perfect, but that's what we are going to work with. Now guys, I'm now going to preheat my pan for a while, and then I'm going to lay my rolled dough as shown in the video. And then what I'm going to do is to spread it really nicely, guys, as you can see. So just take your time to spread your tortilla nicely like that as shown in the video. And then I'm going to leave my tortilla to cook for a while as shown in the video. I'll leave you to watch that for a while right now. So guys, after seeing my tortillas forming some bubbles, as you can see right there, that means that the other side is now good to go. All I'm going to do is to flip it over and cook the other side too for at least 2 minutes again as shown in the video. And then after a while, I'm now going to remove, after 2 minutes, I'm now going to remove my tortilla from my pan, and then I'm going to set it aside. So guys, all I'm going to do is to repeat the process until all my balls are over. So guys, I'll leave you to watch that for a while so you can see clearly what I've been doing in the video. So you have to take your time to make your tortillas well. I'll leave you to watch that and I'll be right back. As you know, when making tortillas or chapatis or mandazis, if you are alone, it's all about multitasking. You have to roll your dough and you have to cook your chapatis or tortillas. So guys, the point is, what I'm now going to do to say is you have to really cover your tortillas well. As you can see, I laid my tortillas on my basin that I used to make my dough, and then I covered it with a dry kitchen towel. I also covered it with a lid as shown in the video. So guys, as you can see, I'm still rolling my tortillas and making my tortillas, taking my time to make my tortillas well. So I'll leave you to watch that and I'll be right back. to lay my tortillas on a board that I have right there, and then what I'm going to do is to apply some butter on my tortillas one by one. And then all I'm going to do is to press one tortilla on another to reduce excess butter that we applied. So guys, I'm really not good at explaining things, but I'll leave you to watch that so you can understand clearly what I'm doing, and then I'll be right back. After a while, our tortillas are now ready, and as you can see, I'm holding one on my hand. It looks really good, you guys. So I'm just going to put my camera well so you can see clearly how my tortillas look after applying butter to all of them. So guys, I'd recommend you try making your own tortillas at home instead of buying them all the time. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm just adding some filling to my tortillas. I'm getting ready for taco night. I always love taco nights. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And as you can see, my son is also there. He also loves taco nights. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.